Hey designers, in today's tutorial, you'll learn how to shade your flat design in just under 2 minutes using Illustrator. I've already created an illustration of Homer Simpson if you want to follow along. The exercise files are in the description of this video. I've grouped the outline and drew individual shapes under it, and these are the ones we'll use to shade. After you make a copy of the element you want to shade, take the knife tool and slice that element. Imagine that the light is coming from the front, and how that would cast a shadow. Once you split that into two different shapes, remove the one you don't need, and apply a darker shade to the one that is now the shadow. The nicest part is that you can now remove parts of the shadow to show how light works on any element that stands out. Given that this is an illustration, you shouldn't aim for something photorealistic, just try to show what kind of volume you're working with, whether that's something rounded or something angular. One important thing to note when you are working with the knife tool is that if you're following a curved path, you should go slowly. If you speed things up, you'll get very weird curves on the slice, which means you'll either need to try again or make additional adjustments, ending up wasting time. When you're shading white elements, I usually recommend sticking with the monochrome shades of gray, but if you are working with color, then you have way more room to experiment with which kind of darker shade you're going to use. You can even have different colors. For the belly, you can add this small detail to show how the volume you're shading looks like, and using the eyedropper tool sample the same gray used under the eyes. One last tip is to offset from time to time the shade. In this case, don't continue the same line as the one from the shirt, but move it a bit forward. Hope you enjoyed this quick Illustrator tutorial and start incorporating the knife tool in your work. Don't forget to like this video so more people could see it, and subscribe to get notified about upcoming tutorials. If you're looking to add grain and noise brushes to your personal collection, check out the description for a special discount only available for the first 10 designers that access it. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.